Hello, we are going to talk about ICICI Bank new car loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for ICICI Bank new car loan. Applicant age should be between 24 year to 65 year. Having minimum net salary more than 30,000 for salaried and ITR more than 2.50 lakh. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount rupees 1 lakh to no limit. Tenure will be 12 month to 84 month. Rate of interest will be 9.45% to 9.65% at fixed rate. Turnaround time is 2 days for sanction and 3 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4% after 12 months. Processing fees will be 6,844 of the loan amount. Minimum job experience should be 3 years with 1 year continuity with current employer. Business vintage should be 3 years. Part payment is allowed but after 12 months. Co-applicant is mandatory if applicant is a partnership firm, LLP, society, company. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of ICICI Bank new car loan to both side rented applicant, funding to applicant having no income, funding up to 6 times of ITR or 3 times of annual salary, funding to NRI applicant. Location is 50 km from ICICI branch. Let's talk about some negative point. Negative profiles are police gym. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Quotation of car. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration if any. Copy of last 12-month GST return if applicable. Quotation of car. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.